Wire transfer money on RBC. Today we are going to learn how to wire transfer money on RBC. Follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important point. First, log into RBC Online Banking or the RBC Mobile App. Navigate to the transfer section. Depending on the platform, the exit menu option might differ slightly. Then, select the International Money Transfer or Wire Transfer. Choose the appropriate option based on your recipient's location. Enter the recipient details. This typically includes their full name, bank account number, bank name, and address. Specify the transfer amount and currency. Double check for accuracy before proceeding. Choose the delivery method and payment source. You can usually choose same day, next day, or standard delivery options. With fees varying accordingly, payment sources like your checking or savings account can be selected. Review the information and confirm the transfer. Carefully review all details from confirming the transfer. Track the transfer progress. You can track the status of your wire transfer through your online banking or mobile app. That's how you can easily wire transfer money on RBC Bank.